Walking through the controls on the furthermost left portion of the dashboard. At the top here we do have our driving mode, so you're going to twist that counterclockwise. If you are towing something, that's going to activate your tow mode. If you're not towing anything, switch it back to your regular drive mode. Below that's going to be your drivetrain, so whether 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, or automatic. Automatic is going to choose the best mode for you based on the traction. 4-wheel high, 2-wheel drive high, and then if you are going to put it into 4-wheel drive low, you do have to shift to neutral first. Below that are going to be your interior and exterior lights, and then this button right here is going to be your fog lights. Right here is going to be the light and the bed of the truck. This button right here is going to decrease the interior cabin lighting, so if you press that, it's going to dim the lights. If you press this, it's going to brighten them up a little bit. This is going to be for your headlights, so if you'd like to manually turn them on, you do switch it, and that will turn them on. If not, just leave them in auto, and it will turn on whenever it gets dark. Your parking lights,